now, and she took off her pants, and then I turned on the TV. Conversation was away from me. Nobody likes you when you're 23. I still want the music TV shows. What the hell is that even? My friends ain't acting at my age. What's I age again? What's my age again? Small things, simple things. I'll take one left. You're right, that's true. Always, I know you'll be my show. Watching, waiting, coming, sing it!
All in 30 seconds? Bjorn, thanks for coming by. Revise helps customers protect their data. We help customers move configuration from sandbox to production. Backups are required by every cloud customer. You know, everybody needs it, but nobody has it, unfortunately. So the best thing which we saw at Team24, there's a lot of recognition from Atlassian admins that they need data security, so they're starting to focus more on that. So excited to work with partners like yourselves and Atlassian customers.
Hey, I'm Simon. I'm from Core Analytics. Used to be Atlassian. We built Proforma before that. What I love about Team is hearing some of the insights on what's coming, that they're rebuilding assets. It's going to be a really interesting journey that they're on. With the Coil, we're doing B2B SaaS analytics. So if you need to know what your users are doing in your product, we're here to help.
Well, we are a lead IT consulting group. We are a gold solution partner. We're here in Las Vegas first time. It's been a great experience. Great, a lot of stuff to see, a lot of people to meet. So it has been a great experience for us.
Hi, we are Eco Team. We are based in Portugal, and we pretty much provide file system so you can actually connect Confluence and Jira with SharePoint and Google Drive, things like that. We are trusted for a lot of customers already. It's always good to be here in contact with customers, right? With all the Atlassians and other partners as well. And we look forward to join Team25 next year.
The most exciting thing at Team was probably yesterday when I saw Scott was filmed saying goodbye to Scott. There was like this Scott face and Scott was saying goodbye to Scott. That was so funny.
Well, I gotta agree with Elias. The whole ACE party I thought was a lot of fun, that's for sure.
We are Tori, we are the SaaS management organization. You know, what we do is we help organizations manage their licenses. You know, when you have Jira, Confluence, Bitbucket, Trello licenses, when they're inactive, Tori will help you optimize these licenses, whether it's Salesforce or Office 365 or Slack or Zoom. We'll help you optimize your licenses, optimize your contract renewals, have built-in workflow automation from the time of doing shadow IT discovery to being able to remove that access, whether it's onboarding or offboarding. We're the complete SaaS management platform. That's what Tori does. I think the most exciting thing that we've seen is just the amount of people and the sheer enjoyment that everybody has being here, right? It's been a very positive vibe, and I think it's just been absolutely fantastic to see that here. I think that's been the most exciting thing here. Everybody's having a great time. It's Vegas, of course.
This is piplanningio. It's a solution by Scaled Agile, the owners of the SAFe framework. Allows teams to be able to plan and visualize their PI planning event with better clarity, seamlessly integrating with Jira so that they can have one source of truth. They don't have to context switch, and being able to really clearly understand the dependencies across teams and essentially, begin their PI, with the best foot forward. So, and the coolest thing we've seen, that's a tough one. It's been a really great event. I think for me, it was getting to meet a lot of the other vendors. Like, there's so many synergies between a lot of these organizations and what they do, and it was just, I was so surprised at how, I had never heard of a lot of these companies, and they're, really making a cool difference in each of their own little unique spaces, and how it all ties to Jira. Everybody, it's a really cool thing. So it's been a great time.
Hi guys, we are Polaris Office team in South Korea. We are a solution is Office solution and can be connected with Jira software, Confluence, or Jira Service Management. Currently, you upload your file on Jira, Confluence, or JSM. You should download it and edit, and finally re-upload your file. But if you use our add-on, you can edit your file on cloud. You don't need to re-upload or download to edit your attachments. Thank you.
Hey, my name is Ed. I work with SBK & Associates. We're a consulting firm, and we believe engineers should do engineering, not Jira migrations, and not user password set resets. And that's what we want to do. Make your engineers do engineering, be efficient and happy. At this trade show here at Atlassian Teams in Vegas in 2024, it is amazing. The other vendors we can work with, the partners, we are an ecosystem, we are a team fighting against inefficiency together. It is great. If you are not here today, you should be here tomorrow and you should be here next year.
We're Catapult Labs, we're platinum partners for the marketplace vendors, and we specialize in Agile ceremonies. I basically make add-ons for distributed teams to host their Agile ceremonies inside Jira or Confluence. We're on the cloud, on data center as well. And then about the conference, well, it's been really amazing. This is my third conference. It's great to see the difference. You can see there's a lot more people now. The space is a lot bigger and the parties keep getting better, right? I really had fun.
Hi, this is Terry with Resolution, and we are here with Owen of...
I'm with EfiCode.
And tell me a little bit about EfiCode. What do you guys do? You're a Platinum Solution Partner.
Yes, EfiCode's a global Platinum Solution Partner.
Right.
We have offices all over the world, really big in Scandinavia, Germany, and then UK, US.
Outstanding.
Yeah.
So you're coming up with solutions for customers, getting creative,
Yes.
helping them solve all sorts of issues.
Yep, so we offer professional services for the entire Atlassian suite. Talking just Atlassian this week, but we also have a host of other products that we have services for.
Very cool. Now, this has been an amazing Team24. What has been your favorite thing to either see, experience, or do so far at Team24?
Yeah, so I'm specifically in service management, so it's really cool to see the announcements around AirTrack and Asset Data Manager. I'm excited about enhancing asset discovery.
Outstanding. Thank you
Yep,
so much.
thank you.
Appreciate it.
Hey, I'm Chris. I am the founder of Umano. We help Agile teams improve their way of working through uniquely measuring their productivity and engagement so that they know exactly where they're at and can take action to continuously improve sprint on sprint. Best thing about teams this year for me was absolutely the focus on all of the partners and marketplace vendors coming together to really start to explore and join and collaborate on what the customers are trying to solve for their ways of working and accelerate their teamwork. And I think there's been some really cool conversations in better understanding what problems our customers are facing and how we can come together to solve them. So watch out and let's see what happens.
Hi, I'm Dieter Planforge. We are focusing on hybrid PPM solutions. So if you have any kind of combinations of Agile or Safe, including Safe, classical plan projects, we are probably an option for you, and you should definitely join us or look us up.
All right, hi, I'm Gil from Salto. We're a configuration management platform for Jira to manage your config between sandbox and production. It's been a great team for us. Everyone is excited about AI, going to the cloud, and having better processes for managing Jira where Salto can help.
Hi, I'm Esther from Metaim. We are a Hungary-based solution partner and marketplace partner as well. Our main focus is on bringing solutions to our customers. Our solutions are based in ITSM, HR, compliance, and we use our apps, email decision for Jira, glass documentation for Jira, and also our services like consultation, licensing, and trainings to bring the most to our customers.
Hi, my name is Eddie Yada with Nomad Mood. I'm the director for Nomad Mood United States. We're a global company founded over 30 years ago. We've been an Atlassian partner since 2011. We're in 8 different countries and we have over 2,500 employees globally. We are also a full service Atlassian provider.
So the cool thing on Team24 was definitely the Top Golf event from Easy Agile. So shout out to them. It was really cool, and yeah, thanks for that experience.
I work at Lively Apps and we build apps for the Confluence marketplace. We have data center and cloud apps in the field of content and communication and also data and analytics.
My name is Ted Henry. We're from 4850. We're a partner of the year here for Atlassian. We've had a great show this year. We've learned a lot about the product rollout for so many different products, and our clients are very excited about these things as they level up their Atlassian experience. We consult on a number of things. We work with companies that are trying to level up their Agile capabilities. We do cloud migrations. We work on ITSM, ITIL, training. We do it all.
Hey, hello, nice to meet you. I'm Bundle, Solution Architect with eCore. At eCore, we are Atlassian Solution Partners. We help customers throughout their implementations, throughout redesigning their process, ITSM process, Agile process. We'd be glad to help you. So we are here at Team24. I think that one of the biggest announcements that we have, is how much Atlassian is investing into working in an entire platform, seeing their transforming from just specific products for specific solutions to designing a customer-centric solution. I think it's one of the biggest news that I've seen, not just from Atlassian, but also from vendors, from solution partners.
Hi, my name is Joaquin. I'm with Mend.io. We help secure applications with SCA and SaaS tools, and we help developers manage their dependencies with automation.
Hi everybody, I'm Andy Fernandez, Director of Product Management here at Haiku. For all of these organizations, in the past, you're moving away from server, from data center, and you've seen all the value of cloud. But with cloud still comes responsibility of your backups, of your data, of your control. What Haiku is able to do is give you full access and control of your data. We are a highway from Atlassian to your storage where you can recover from at any point in time. If someone deletes, if someone attacks, or even from a compliance perspective, we're the only one that keeps your data offsite. The coolest thing I've seen in Team so far is probably going to be what I continued seeing at Velocity and Unleashed, and it's the use of natural language within Atlassian. There's so much indexing, JQL, there's entire languages that we don't really need anymore besides natural language, and that's going to make it more accessible to people in marketing, people in sales, and I think that's going to be pretty cool.
How has it been for you guys?
It's been great.
Yeah? Have you been out on a party yesterday?
Oh, I feel like all we do is stay on the floor and party.
Yeah.
Get on the floor and party.
Yeah, you do?
Get on the floor, what's one more party?
Yeah.
Okay, and an elevator for pitch. Okay, all right, sure. All right, am I supposed to say like, hi, I'm Matt, or just like?
Absolutely.
Okay, all right. Okay, all right. All right, getting in the mode. All right.
Good matching. Good matching. Good matching.
Hi, I'm Matt with K15T, and we are all about creating knowledge and sharing it with your colleagues because everyone should share their know-how. That's what our apps are all about. Now, we've seen a lot of amazing things here at Team. I personally was amazed by meeting someone at a really great party that we threw and then completely forgetting about them and meeting them again at our booth, and it was just kind of weird. But sharing your know-how is not weird. You should definitely do that.
Hi, I'm Kasia. I'm from Divinity. We are both solution partner and a marketplace vendor. We are specialized in everything connected with the ITSM, what you can see on our booth. Team is the perfect place. I love the ecosystem. I love the people here. So I hope to see all of you next year in Anaheim.
Hey there, I'm Sammy Kaufman from the Gliffy team by Perforce Software. I'm Gliffy's product manager. We are the leading way to diagram in Confluence. You can create any type of technical diagram or a mind map, whatever you need to build. And we've just launched our data linking functionality, which allows you to pull data directly into your diagrams as well. So keep your eyes open for more about that. Team24 this year has been awesome. Lots of great conversations with our customers. I think this is such a wonderful community, and I just feel lucky to be part of this ecosystem. So hope to see you next year.
Hi, I'm here with AllStacks. We're a software analytics delivery platform that sits on top of your software stack to help you understand how your organization is performing at all levels. And I'd have to say that my favorite moment here at Team24 has been just getting to know all of the other people, the partners, being able to interact with the Atlassian teams directly.
Hi together, I'm Dave, the partner manager from the Cadis. We offer you on the marketplace the Jira Workflow Toolbox, which is an administrator app and it's the best rated app on the marketplace. We got SumUp, the admin toolbox, last log, whatever. If you want to check out everything what we got on the marketplace, just click it. And if you need more information, get in touch with me or with my colleagues. Team 2024 is over. I was super excited, meet lots of people, and I had a big chance to show everybody my charity suit, which was donated with 31,000 euros for kids with cancer. Awesome stuff. Meet Scott and Mike, so a perfect event.
Rodney.
So yes.
Amazing, right? 2.5 days so far?
Yeah.
So you always write an amazing summary on LinkedIn about the keynote. So
Yes,
I know
yes, I
you
do.
had a hard night, you typed a lot of stuff. So
Yeah.
what are the highlights?
Well, I think the big highlight for me is the marriage between Jira software and Jira Work Management into just Jira.
They're cleaning up. Yeah.
They are finally cleaning up. The more I think on it, the more I'm skeptical I am on Jira Service Management being able to join the family. But I can definitely see Jira Product Discovery next year being the next marriage. And guys, this is live.
Yeah, this is live. That's how we do it. Hui, what is your highlight? Come on, what's your highlight from Team so far?
Well, it's actually these AI capabilities that's upcoming in the next days. I would really love to see that come into life and it really fulfills what the vision looks like.
Rovo, if it lives up to the hype, which it's still sight unseen for most of us, but if it lives up to the hype, it is going to be an amazing piece of software.
I mean, we can see where it comes from. So it looks like OpenAI and GPTs and so on, and is amazing in OpenAI and with their own data.
Yeah.
Then it will be more amazing in Jira and Confluence.
Yeah. So Rovo is another big highlight. Something I don't think is being talked about enough, and I know I featured it, Jira Service Management Instant Service Desk.
And I found that it's interesting. I mean, you can now easily create a new service desk, another service desk, another service desk, another service desk. So I think every employee will end up with a service desk. Do you think this is a killer feature and do people will use it?
I don't think, what you're saying is definitely something people need to be cautious of.
Yeah.
But this has always been the case in Jira. I mean, we always had the case where another custom field, another custom field, another custom field. This is just another example where we need to figure out how to control the growth.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking for those companies that are just starting out with their first service desk.
Yeah.
This is going to be amazing for those.
That's a Kickstarter for them. Definitely.
Yeah, exactly. Hey everyone, this is Rodney with the Jira Life. I am here with Julia from Refined, Haley from Easy Agile, Bjorn from Resolution, Svetlana from Easy BI, and we have an amazing deal going on. These guys are now going on their Beyond Team24 tour. They are going to be going to St. Louis, Austin, New York, Toronto, Chicago.
Yeah, correct.
And this is all over the next 2 weeks. And they're going to, once they finally get home, once they finally get some rest, they're not going to get some rest because they're going to be on the Jira Life on May 23rd. How are you guys feeling about this?
Should I start? So, okay, I think it will be super amazing because at the moment we catch here all the team experience, the Expo Hall experience, keynote experience, and bring it to the teams in the United States. And to sum up the feedback from these teams who couldn't join here, will be then to sum up in your podcast. And I think that's an amazing idea and a very condensed way what's going on. And maybe we have seen then already a couple of the new products which were on the keynotes. My name is Alessandro. I'm part of the Ritsoft team. We are a marketplace partner for Atlassian, and we develop mostly project management solutions like WBS Gantt chart, Excel-like book issues editor that helps both project managers or support leads like myself to make the job life easier by have a better holistic vision of their apps on the marketplace.
Excited to be here at Team24. We're Service Rocket. We're first platinum partner in the ecosystem, started 23 years ago. And we are the one-stop shop for all your needs for Atlassian, including from consulting, managed services, we do licensing, and also we have our own apps. And what was pretty amazing about this is the people, the energy, and then also having the opportunity to be able to see the new products that are coming out. And seeing Jason Sudeikis, Ted Lasso here was quite an exciting time.
Thank you, everyone. I was really happy to see all our customers, potential customers, existing customers, all the partners, all the ecosystem members, community leaders, all the Atlassian fans here in Vegas again. I'm here second year in a row, and this is an amazing event. We do apps for Jira, Confluence, Bitbucket for cloud and data center. So please check our site if you want to know more. So I hope to see everyone last year again.
My name is David from Combinado, and I'm at our booth, or what's left of it, because we're just wrapping things up. The week's been a blast. It's been a blast because of meeting so many familiar, friendly faces, having an amazing team on site. We had so many cool customer conversations, existing customers and new prospects, both sharing about our products, which is like Microsoft integration with Confluence or Jira, or structuring tools for your Confluence wiki, or just analytics to like know what's the structure. And it's been an amazing experience. But best of all, I kind of met again after a long time my long thought lost brother. You can see that, right? Yep.
Do your users ever complain about Confluence looking ugly, being hard to use, hard to navigate? Then we have the solution for you. Refined is a site builder for Confluence and JSM, letting you create tailor-made sites for your audiences containing your choice of content from Confluence and from JSM. Try it today.
Let me think for a second. Let me comb my hair. Okay, hi, my name is Britta. I work for Yazoo. We're here at Atlassian Team 2024. This is our booth, and we are an Atlassian marketplace vendor, and we integrate Microsoft with Jira. So I really loved the conference. My highlight was the brain dates. It was a really great start to connect with people. Topic driven, it was very nice, and I'm looking forward to next year.
Yeah, the Atlassian Team 24 was really, really awesome, especially the events booth here with all the fantastic partners. Unfortunately, we from Swarmy didn't have our own booth, but we have the really cool people here. I really like the new stuff which comes from Atlassian, especially that they have now a new product called Jira, more or less. And best thing, and what I was looking for, is the events at the evening, especially tonight with the bash and the party after this.
Hi guys, my name is Svetlana. I'm from EasyBI. I'm in marketing and partnership. EasyBI is a powerful tool for Jira. We do analytics and we do it right. Biggest highlight from the team, that's first team for me, and I'm really excited. Lots of communication, networking, collaboration, and I'm really happy to meet partners. I was meeting only online to hug them, etc. So yeah, that's cool. It's a success for EasyBI. We had a lot of partners, customers. So yeah, thank you.
Luis, Michael, you were both at Team24. Did you enjoy it?
Of course.
Yeah? Nice. So
yeah.
what was the most important announcement from Team24 for you?
I was really excited to hear the Jira Service Management and Jira Software and Jira Work Management now become just Jira. I feel like it's a long time coming, and it's going to make things a lot easier for end users for sure to not have to juggle and figure out, what's the difference between the two. So I'm excited to see that.
Nice.
Yeah.
So what's your focus currently in the Atlassian universe?
Our focus currently within the Atlassian universe is really around the connected enterprise.
Right.
So how are we able to create visibility into the cost and flow of work using the Atlassian products and things that are adjacent in the ecosystem to provide
executives and senior leaders in companies a visibility window into where you're spending your time, where you're spending your energy, and where you need to potentially reroute or double down.
Really great focus area. Yeah. All right, third question. This is the most important one, so think about your answers. What did you think was missing from Team24, or did you have any question marks during or after the event?
Yeah, I think kind of going back to my answer from question 1, we've got Jira software, Jira work management becoming just Jira. My initial question after that is, okay, what about Jira service management? What does that become then, right? Because there's the potential for confusion there, right? So that's what I would have liked to gotten a little more in that direction for sure.
Hopefully we get some answers.
Yeah, maybe Team 25.
Michael, any thoughts?
I think the question mark right now for everybody is about the future of AI. So we've heard so much about how this is going to be something that's native within the Atlassian product suite, but where this continues to come and what we can continue to expect from all the advancements that are going on in AI serves to, I think, be the question that's prevalent in everybody's mind right now.
Yeah, definitely a relevant one.
Certainly is.
Alright, Ian, so what was the most important announcement for you around Team24?
Great question. I think the most important thing was probably bringing the work management features back into Jira software, or Jira. It's great features inside of the work management tool, but also a little confusing. So I think that was a big plus. I think not only for Atlassian, but for all their clients.
Okay. Does it align anyhow with something that you're focusing on in the Atlassian ecosystem right now?
Oh, I mean, yeah, certainly. Like, as a solution partner, we're always trying to solve challenges, problems, and fit solutions into the needs of business teams.
Mm-hmm.
So we work a lot, obviously, with technical teams, but the business teams, there's a lot of ways that we can solve for solutions that they need inside of the Atlassian product suite. So yeah, it's a huge benefit in that way for sure.
Now this is great. And was there anything that was missing? Maybe you were expecting some announcement and you didn't hear it?
AI everything. Just kidding.
Yeah.
Just kidding. I don't know. I think that it was, I want to know more about Guardian. Or was it Guardian?
Guard.
I'd like to know more about Guard. But yes, I think the security stuff was really important and essential for the future of all things Atlassian. So I'm waiting kind of to learn more and understand more. Obviously, I think Robo too is something that I'm like, I don't know, lots of questions, but in a good way, not in a negative way.
Okay. That was good. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.
What was most interesting announcement on around Team24?
I would say the fact that Atlassian is working on taking their products and putting it into one platform, to me was amazing, because we utilize different parts of the platform. We talk about Confluence as a separate, talk about Jira as separate, we talk about all these different parts of it as separate. And just the fact that they're moving towards putting this together in one platform will help our teams understand that we're all working in the same platform.
And I would say the JSM standardization of projects, it'll be interesting to see what the standardized offerings are and whether they really align with, best practices and also what clients tend to be looking for when they're configuring their systems.
So means the Scott announcement was totally useless?
No, the Scott announcement was big too.
Okay, no, just joking. What is your focus in the Atlassian universe at the moment?
Right now, documentation and AI, and so seeing things that Rovo can do, understanding how we can take the things that our teams don't do well, such as documentation, but though it does exist, and is there a way that we can now surface that information that other people can consume it? That to me is incredible. So it's a huge undertaking to see that, yes, we do document things, can someone else or something else consume that and then be able to spit that out in a way that is cohesive with all the information and the background that we've done to get there.
Yeah, I'll say AI as well. I think I also just think JSM is just such a focus at the moment. It's come so far in the last couple of months, well, in the last year or so. You can build incredible solutions with it at the moment, and when we tie everything in together, and obviously Rovo will be a new addition to the amazing things you could do with JSM. So that's probably a focus for me.
Yeah.
Okay, so last question. What have you missed, or what caused a lot of question marks around Team24?
Okay.
The next party.
No, okay. I mean, I have a lot of questions. I can say what I did appreciate that helped with a lot of questions was when I opened Jira yesterday, when I came back and I saw like Loom there, and I saw a couple of the other feature sets there, and I was like, okay, these are accessible now. Like, they're there, and what we talked about, I don't have to go and explain to my team, by the way, there's this thing called Loom, it has an icon, looks like a cat butthole, or whatever, and then you gotta click it. Don't ever actually...
Please edit
that out, right?
Yeah,
thank you.
Like
so
it.
now...
Good.
Do not! Anyways, point is, like, it's all there, and I can see it, which is great, because you come back from a conference, you've got to talk to your team about, okay, they released these new features, they're going to be available in the next couple months or so, or maybe we haven't paid for those yet, or whatever, and I have to do this whole, like, you know, spiel about all the things that I learned, blah, 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 and I'm seeing already the stuff that they were talking about are now available, and I'm recognizing that this is tangible. So it wasn't just like, here's some cool shit we're working on. These are things that we've implemented and you now have available to you. And that's not always been the theme throughout, like, you know, the whole years and the decades of tech that we decide to do these awesome conferences and these summits and all these things. And it's like, oh shit, like, it's actually available now. And I've paid for it, and they've provided me something that I can now utilize. And I can tell my team about it, and they can use it.
Whether there'll be Ted Lasso season 4.
Oh yeah.
It's a big question, wasn't it?
So sorry, what are the questions? I don't know. Okay, Connor, do you want to tell us where you're from, first of all?
Work with Valiantis. I'm based here in St. Louis.
Cool. And what is your top takeaway from Team24?
At Teams, I think what I'm most interested in what's happening with Rovo and enterprise search, and the ability to, I think really, a lot of us really excited about the ability to search across products. It's something that we've been asking for a long time, and it's cool to see that getting implemented. And then with Rovo and the chat, AI-powered chat, excited to see how that gets released and what features we can add to it, and whether we can call Forge apps and Forge functions and things like that to kind of extend the platform a little bit more.
Cool. Was there anything that you would hope to have heard about at Team24 that they missed?
Seems like it would have been good to hear more about Jira Line and that platform, and specifically around, for me at least, integrations, extensibility, compatibility with other planning softwares and things like that. I think there's some stuff to go with there.
Cool. And what's the hot topic at Valiantis and for you?
For me specifically, I live on the custom app dev side, so we're really focused on building a connected enterprise with Forge apps, integrations, and really extending to and connecting to the enterprise in the cloud stack, connecting to on-prem tools, connecting to business critical systems, and getting that data surfaced in a work management platform like Atlassian Cloud.
Hi, so what were the most important announcements for you during the Atlassian Team24?
Yeah, I think at Team24, the most important announcement was hearing about Rovo, right, and the enhanced AI capabilities that Atlassian is going to be doing. I think our customers are going to be very excited to have better intelligence to see what's going on in their systems and declutter, things like that.
Yeah, I'm also excited about Rovo. And next one, what is your focus now at Atlassian ecosystem?
Our focus now has been the same focus we've had over the last couple of years, and that is getting our customers from data center onto the cloud. Still a ton of customers, even though the end of life date happened in February, we've got a lot of data center customers, and of course the feature parity, right? We want our customers to take advantage of all the new existing features that are in cloud, things like Rovo that I just mentioned, right? And so that'll be our priority for the certainly short and medium term.
Okay, cool, thank you. And what you are missing in Atlassian ecosystem, during announcements on Team24?
You know, I'm a little bit biased. There were so many cool things that they talked about, but one of the things, just as I mentioned, there's this theme here, right, in terms of the cloud migrations. You know, just even enhanced tooling, or, you know, what's going to be there to kind of help us, our customers, but also, you know, our product teams, right, to kind of migrate our existing customers into the cloud, right? We think about the subset of customers that have come over the last few years. The ones that are remaining, those are the huge enterprise customers, right? The big customers, right? They have the most complex environments. So I would have loved to hear just a little bit more strategy, what it's going to take to get those customers over to the cloud.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hi, Ivanka. So, what was the most important announcement around Team24 for you?
I only have to pick one. Ooh, that's tough. So between all the amazing announcements that came at Team24, I think one of the most fascinating ones, at least in my opinion, was the introduction of Guard and Guard Premium. I think in the post-migration world, I think a lot of companies that perhaps were a little bit hesitant to move to cloud can actually benefit quite a bit from that. So I'm really excited to see what that's all about.
This is great. And what is your focus in the Atlassian ecosystem at the moment?
Oh, we are doing a little bit of everything. But I would say, going back on the topic of the post-server migration world, there's still a lot of folks that are on-prem. So of course, we're focusing a lot on migrating people from on-premise over to cloud, but also future-proofing environments so that it's not just a lift and shift migration, rather it's focusing on best practices, how to fortify them from any sort of problems that they might have, but also then focusing on topics such as ITSM, ESM. That's something that we're doing recently.
All right. And was there anything that you were expecting to hear during Team24 but you didn't?
Not much that I didn't hear a lot of. I know prior to Team, there was a bit of a conversation about Jira becoming one with Jira Work Management, but also Jira Software, now just being Jira. So I wish I could have learned a bit more about what that's going to look, and I think there's a lot of really great positives for that. So didn't hear much about it at Team, at least I don't think so, but looking forward to hopefully learn more in the future.
Yeah, we'll see. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you for having me.
Then just put that on the top.
Just put my face in it.
It's so good.
It's so good.
What did you have? Like what toppings?
So it's like whipped cream, berries.
Oh, are you?
Like whipped cream and the berries, like the strawberries.
Yes.
So it was just
Passion fruit.
passion fruit.
Good.
And so you get the meringue crunch, and then the berries, the sweetness, and the.
And the meringue is still that little bit marshmallowy.
Yep.
With the harder crust. Anyway, sure, that's great.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, no doubt. That's it. That's all you wanted, right? Okay. First question.
Okay.
You went to Team, right?
I did.
All right. So, Ed, do you want to introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Ed Gale. I am a Principal Solutions Architect at Appire. I've been in the Atlassian ecosphere for about 12 years. I'm the Atlanta community leader for the past 10 years, and I am also an award-winning barbecue pitmaster.
There's so many barbecue people in Appire. This is what I'm learning.
I know.
All right, so first question, what was the best thing that you heard at Team24? What got you excited?
So, Robo's interesting. It'll be interesting to see how that plays out down the road with more of the introduction of the agents and how those will be incorporated within their product stack. I'm a little concerned on the unified search, which is awesome, but is that introducing more noise or not? So it'll be interesting to kind of see how that plays out. So, but that was definitely a cool feature.
Cool. Was there something you were hoping to hear at Team24 and it was not there? You didn't hear about it?
Yes, I was hoping to hear that we would not have it at Las Vegas again, and so they fulfilled that promise, and we're having it in Anaheim.
Check.
But
Yeah, I think most people are stoked about that one. Yeah, cool.
Feature-wise, no, I think we kind of saw some of the more of the AI stuff coming down the pipe, so it'll be interesting to see. I suspect Jira Product Discovery will start creeping more and more into Jira Software kind of thing. So it'll be interesting to see if that's something for next year's announcements.
Cool. And final question. Slipped out of my head. What is the final question? Yes. What's the hot topic at Appfire when it comes to the Atlassian ecosystem?
The hot topic at Appfire, obviously being an app vendor, what are they coming out and producing natively that's going to compete with what we have from an app perspective, and then if they do that, how do we differentiate ourselves or tell the story that what we have is either unique or different from what they have natively? So
Yeah, cool. That's interesting. Good. That's a good one for all of us.
Exactly.
Yeah, cool. That was it. Thank you. All right, cool. We're back.
We're back.
We're back. All right. So, would you like to introduce yourself and tell us where you're from?
Yes. My name is Yvonne Tavares. I'm from AppFire. I'm a channel manager. Been here for about 5 years, and I'm based out of Boston.
Boston. Okay. Did you travel just for this, Ace?
Always, just for Ace.
Just for the Ace.
Yeah.
All right. So, Yvonne, what was the best thing that you heard at Team? What got you excited?
The updates to the partner directory are really interesting.
Okay. Yeah.
Seeing how the AI plays a role for solution partners will be really, really interesting to see moving forward. So the way they implement it will be the most important part, but if it's good, it'll be great for everybody.
Yeah, cool. All right, was there anything that you wanted to hear at Team24 that maybe you didn't hear about or that was missing for you?
We wanted to hear about bundling.
Oh, yeah.
Bundling is always a hot topic. We know that's coming up soon and it's on the roadmap for Atlassian. But the sooner that they're able to do that and supports the marketplace vendors, that'll be great.
Cool, yep. AppFire has a strong story when it comes to bundling.
Yeah.
Okay, and then last question is, what's the hot topic at AppFire when it comes to your world, and what's happening in the ecosystem that's the hot topic across the AppFire world?
Yeah, it's really about how Atlassian is driving and supporting solution partners and how they're connecting them to our apps and connecting customers to apps. Really like making sure that when a customer comes to a solution partner that they're getting the best solution possible and educating, enabling them to do so.
Cool, great. All right, thank you so much, Yvonne.
Of course.
Okay, cool. So, could you please introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about what you do?
My name's Peter. Last name is DeWitt. I run an applications team here at Relativity in Chicago, and we are responsible for making sure that Jira and Confluence are working for our users.
Yeah, cool. Thank you for hosting us today. It's been awesome, fun at the ACE. So, what was the thing that got you most excited at Team24?
Honestly, I think for me, I like Loom the best. Was that acquisition and just the potential of integrating that in with Confluence. I know there was some bigger things. Rovo is fairly popular and stuff, but part of my challenge on that is really the implementation of it's like one of those. It's almost like a Jira line product for me, where it's like you've got to have so much in order and so much ready to go before it's going to be really valuable to your organization, your team. But when you look at something like Loom, where all of a sudden somebody can start creating videos and reporting bugs and stuff like that, like out of the box, that adds value, right? For regardless of what team you're on, whether you're an engineer, or a developer, or working in HR or legal or whatnot. So,
do you use Loom already today?
I haven't. No.
Okay. Well, we've been using it for ages at Easy Agile. I know. Yeah, everyone's like, "Oh, is this new?" No, it's not that new.
No, it's not new. I knew it wasn't new. I knew it's been around for a while, but it's like with a lot of those tools, we had been creating videos internally. Really poorly, we're creating a Teams meeting and then recording it and sharing our screen and recording ourselves. So we're kind of making it do, but it's really convoluted and it's not really efficient. But when you look at something like Loom, I think it's just going to be great. And
awesome
to see how they're going to integrate it, or how it already integrates within Confluence, and then they bring that into the ecosystem is really going to be just outstanding, I think.
Cool, super exciting. Okay, was there anything that you were hoping to be announced or spoke about at Team24 that was missed?
No? All
right.
No, I've been enough of these things. I have zero expectations.
Yes.
Right,
okay.
so that anything they say is surprising, right, and makes me happy.
Yep.
So
yep.
Yeah, I used to have expectations, and I would be sad after Teams.
Yeah.
And then I just said I'm not going to have any.
Yeah.
And so whatever they bring out is just fun and exciting to learn about and see what they're doing and where they're heading. And
that's the good rule for life, really. Set expectations low, and then everything's great. So,
everything's great.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Okay. And then last thing, what in the relativity world, what's the hot topic around the Atlassian ecosystem? What's the hot topic for you?
Right now, it's migration.
Oh yeah.
So we're moving to the cloud. We're trying to get our bring Confluence up first, then follow with Jira. So we're kind of going through that thing, but our users are excited, right? When when they're out there, they're trying to solve problems. They use Google and they can see the features and functions, and they find something cool in the cloud, and then they come to us and they want to do it. It's like, nah, it's in the cloud, not in data center. Sorry.
Yep.
So we go through that conversation a lot. So even as we've been starting to just socialize it and kind of talk, off, water cooler talk with different users, everybody's been really excited about getting to the cloud and being able to start taking advantage of some of the features and functionality that's available. So
I'm sure that's what Atlassian want exactly to happen. So good. All right,
Yeah,
cool.
exactly.
Well, thank you so much for having us today, Peter. It was really awesome to see you again.
Sure, thank you so much.
Okay, hey everyone, you've made it to your last stop on the tour. How do you feel?
Tired.
Excited. So
Martin's
sound
got the
comes from here.
microphone.
Yeah, we feel tired.
They're tired and they're ready to pack it in, but not quite yet. They're headed to New York tomorrow. Wait, I don't know what I'm saying. Right?
That's true.
Okay, they're headed to New York tomorrow for a meeting and then finally back home to all their destinations. We have a couple quick questions talking about the last couple times in the United States. Julia, what was your favorite stop?
My favorite stop in the US
And
or
this
during the tour?
Yeah, during the tour.
I think it was. Sorry.
Last 10 years.
I just need to clarify. No, actually, in the United States, it was not a part of the tour, but we had some time to spend in New Orleans, just one day. But it was a really outstanding place, so it feels different. And during the tour, it was Toronto for me.
Nice. Okay, Bjorn, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
What was something that you forgot to pack?
Don't take camera equipment.
No, I think about it. It's definitely not camera equipment. No, I had everything. It was the first time that I'm.
You did a good job packing?
Yeah. I sent it off. The team already stuffed back at home with my colleagues because it was too much. So, no, I was absolutely fine.
Makes sense. Okay, Haley, what was your favorite thing that you ate? Did you try any new foods?
The empanadas that we just had at this office were pretty good. That was very good. That was very nice. And then actually we've had some really good eats, but I would say like Toronto.
Yeah.
There was consistent good eats in Toronto. So I mean that's a positive. Yeah.
All right. Frank. What was the highlight of the whole trip, the whole tour?
I guess for me it was really the camaraderie and just the team coming together. So 4 different vendors, different people with different backgrounds, everybody really different, but then really enjoying the time together, doing some serious work together, getting some really good results and some good exposure at the community events and with all of the partners. So I think that gelled the team together. We call ourselves the band now.
Nice. All right, Svetlana, what's the first thing you're going to do when you get home?
I'm not getting home on Friday. I will stay for 1 week here in Europe,
nice.
New York, exploring for my vacation, but I would say workation. When I get back home, I will. I think 4 months or 2 months. I'm not going to drink alcohol, and and I am not going to parties, and I'm going to eat healthy food like salads, veggies, etc. So yeah, that's my goal, and sleep. And I really want to get like proper sleep.
Nice. Raj, what was your favorite thing to see in any of the cities?
Ooh, favorite thing to see?
Yeah, like touristy kind of thing.
I'm gonna say Toronto, like walking by the lake. That's always really beautiful. And we had a nice sunny day, or I had a nice sunny day when I took a walk out there. So that was really nice.
All right, last question. If we could put it in one word from your tour, what would one word be?
New friendship. These are 2 words, but that
New
really is a
friendship.
good word.
I love it.
Yeah. Not all, Haley.
Okay, what else do you want me to ask?
anything else? Is that a good wrap up?
Yeah. I think so. Yeah.
Excellent.
Thank you very much.
Group hug.
Actually, could you take a photo? Is that? I guess that's just going to take a lot of photos.
I mean, I could text it to you.
Mine, if you wish.
Yeah, I can take it on yours.
Travel this.